From this to this.
You are all successful. Equally, each and every one of you here right now carries the same accountable success in your business, unless you choose otherwise.
Wow. 2020, wow. Such change in business times for everybody, eh? And big changes for myself also. I think huge changes for the coaching industry. Lifestyle really being a priority is what I feel now. People work from home, and people have experienced enjoying their own surroundings and sort of actively voluming out that they don't want to actually go back to the office environment. Some people miss it also, you know, face to face, and yeah, so. But for me, I'm really looking to change my direction in why I run a business, and I want to share that with you in 2022. So for me, it's really about increasing the business lifestyle. But I'm not talking about a lifestyle where, you know, we are spending more hours in work, but a lifestyle where it's less hours but increased business quality. Yeah, that's 2020 for me. I enjoy, you know, I with office environment and a couple of offices, and really enjoyed the movement of that environment. And then of course, you know, 20 and 21 saw a huge shift in the amount of people traffic that was coming through business environments, and realizing that the energy was dropping from those offices that we had. And I thought, okay, I really want to change something. I really want to sort of create a different energy to why I run a business, and then bring that into an environment where you can also share that journey and look at your business environment and why it's there. So many people run a business to run a business instead of run a business to run a life, and that to me is hugely important. You know, I labeled myself as a lifestyle entrepreneur. But was I truthful to that? Was I honest to that in 20 and 21? I'm going to say that I didn't shift with the environment. I kind of held on to that habit, I suppose, of how we run our business. But here's the thing. 22 for me is definitely about improving the lifestyle within my business to increase the lifestyle within my life. So removing really, you know, the sort of business envy, life envy that so many people are suffering with right now, and closing my offices. So closing the offices and creating a new balance. So here we are. This is my home office. I haven't worked at home for about 9 years. So this is my home office. That is going to be part of my new lifestyle. Also, I said the lifestyle I should have been practicing. And then from there, I'm going to recycle into my life a kind of motorhome, a van. I'm going to get a van, I'm going to kit out. This is not a van life channel. We ain't going to do that, guys. It's about lifestyle. So I'm going to get a lifestyle office. So lifestyle office is going to travel with me, and it's going to allow me at the heartbeat to go from business to lifestyle to business, and get out there and really enjoy things that are important to me, which is, you know, the country, mountain biking. Those who know me, biking is a big part of my life. So making sure that I can just include that in at any given point. So the business is there to help me improve my life, not have my life to run my business. So many people do that. So many people are at the crossroads now in businesses to, you know, so I'm working from home, I've dumped the offices, you know, what's next? How can I really utilize that opportunity? So 22 is about that. So a couple of days now, I've been looking online for a van that can, a sort of van I can include into my lifestyle, that I can build an office in, that I can travel with a couple of days a week, that actually is going to be no more than the cost of what are my current offices within the business. So I have a budget, a tight budget. So here is the thing, I'm looking to get as much as I can for about 5.5, 6K. That's not a lot of money, people, do you know what I mean? I'm buying something bottom end in the scale of custom built vans or camper vans or whatever you want to call them. So yeah, so I'm now scaling the internet to see what I can get out there. So yeah, so let's see where we go with this and see what happens over the next couple of days. But yeah, 2022, here we go, lifestyle. And I'm going to really be pushing this into the YouTube channel, guys. So, you know, jump on, subscribe. Let's follow this story together. And the idea is that, you know, is that I share with you the ease of building your lifestyle business rather than building a business. Let's understand the business is an engine. An engine is designed to create happiness. Now, happiness is different for everybody. Not everybody is keen to sort of jump in a camper van and maybe spend a couple of days running their business out in the wild. And that's not for everybody. My wife, she's like a Hollywood actress. She would never. She's not interested. For her, 5-star hotel and a luxury. That's where Deb is. But for me, it's a little different. I'm Taurus, an Earth person, for sure. So yeah, so that's where we go in. So. Like I say, jump on, subscribe on the channel and drop in some comments and just follow the story together. So let's see where 22, 23 and 24 takes this opportunity for us. Here we are. This is the boot. This is my lifestyle office. Picked this guy up only a couple of days ago. I'm not an expert at buying anything for sure when it comes to cars and vans and things like this, but this is what's going to happen is that I'm going to turn this boat into my lifestyle office, and she's going to allow me to mountain bike and allow me to work simultaneously almost at a heartbeat and do the both. So I'm really excited about this. I mean, I recycled her. So she's a 1998 Mazda Bongo. I mean, she's done a lot of miles, this girl. I found some parking tickets from in Germany and other parts of the world. So she's been about, eh? But I'm excited about making that into something special that creates that lifestyle business for me and that opportunity to live the way I want to live. You know, things are different now. Things have changed. So I'm really excited about this happening. And hey, let's see where she goes. But you want to follow the story? Well, it's, you know, comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and then we'll do this journey together for sure. Happy days. Yeah, pretty nervous about today. Taking the new office van. Well, not new for sure. I really did pull the back out of it on the weekend, and now I'm taking it up to the garage to get a first look over mechanically. You know, when you buy something from a private buyer and you know very little about mechanics like me, you kind of working on trust. But you know, she won't start without the booster, and there's a lot of things happening I don't think should be happening. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous. I have a budget, so I'm going to the garage today, and she's going in and she's gonna have a full mechanical look over and sort out. So hey, let's get going, eh? And off we go. Happy days. Got my lifestyle office back from the mechanics now, and there is some slight extra snags, let's say, or thoughts I have to put in, which is one, we found a whole lot of rust in her. Not a problem, rust is curable for sure, it just adds to the project. So what we decided to do is I've taken out the whole internals of the van. All the fitted cupboard space and cooker and sink and all those wonderful things are already in there. Pulled the carpets up, and doing that in order to get at any rust that I couldn't see. You know, I'm not an expert in buying vans and cars for sure. You know, I took a punt, and you know, I liked the way she looked. I liked the idea of recycling something. That's how I am, and that's where we are. So I'm now going through the whole of the van, and with the opportunity to get exposed any rust I can find, and then get that treated, and then take that in a week or two ready for welding. So she'll get back to a good state and ready to go for 2022, that's for sure. So happy days, decided to it. You know, we're gonna get this girl up and running. We're gonna make it part of my lifestyle, and I'm really excited about the project for sure.